And if you come up with your own moves along the way with the one arm, as long as the rope's flowing, can't be wrong. So, a nice one-handed pattern that I encourage you to learn is this shoulder rolling one-handed pattern. We'd be trying to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If that's going on the second one on one side, 1, turn your arm and shoulder around. Again, 1, turn. On that second turn, we're going to bring the rope across the body. 1, turn, across the body. And we go back again. 1, turn, across the body. I've still got that north-south direction going really well. 1, turn, bang. Whoop. 1, turn, across the body. 1, turn, across the body. Okay. And that can be done on both sides. 1, turn, across the body. 1, turn, across the body. And you can start to feel this wrist rolling really well, the elbow getting up and out of the way, and you're having to move your body to allow the rope to stay in that north-south pattern. If your overhanded roll is working really well in a front-on way, then turn your body sideways and bring that rope in front of you like a propeller. 1, 2, in front. 1, 2, elbow up, in front. 1, 2, in front. And that can happen on both sides. 1, 2, in front. 1, 2, in front. If you're facing side on now, and that roll is working for you in an overhanded pattern, there's a underhanded pattern to learn on the other side. So where this is going down and the second one rolls, the underhanded pattern starts at the front, comes to the back, and rolls underneath. It's almost like you're scooping up something in the bucket. So we're starting in the front, we're flicking behind our body, so our wrist is now turning under, letting it drop behind your body, and then turning the wrist and shoulder again to bring the rope back out. Turn it under, turn the body, let that come out. And then you'll be able to combine those two in, I'll face side on. Change hands. This is my overhanded roll. Overhanded roll. Change hands. Underhanded roll. Overhanded roll. Underhanded roll. So play with your one-handed swinging. There's so much to learn in one hand. It's really quite an unlimited reservoir of things to do. So get into one hand, have a great practice, enjoy your flow, let creativity take control, and if you come up with your own moves along the way with the one arm, as long as the rope's flowing, can't be wrong. So enjoy your one arm flows, and I'll see you for some two arm flows a bit later on. Right, enjoy the rope flow.